season, it's all about wearing color and patterns in unexpected ways. There's no hard and fast rules on how to do it. This is a great example of pairing bright colors in an unexpected way. You probably would not think that those colors go together, but as you see, they work. Some people believe that you have to splurge to wear the latest trends. I have a great example here of two outfits. One just a little over $100 and then another one that's over $200. This look is just over $100 and it has pattern mixing. So you have your floral print in the skirt, a polka dot blouse, underpinning, and a striped jacket. What brings this look all together is the color navy. This is a similar look that's over $200. So this is another great example of pattern mixing. You have your red cheetah print pants and your stripe on stripe tops. This is a classic red, white, and blue with a twist. So if you want to take that first step in pattern mixing, this is a great and safe way to do it. So you have your black and neutral skirt with a pop of red. And what anchors this outfit together is the black and tan also in the top. The belt is a neutralizer, so it breaks up the two patterns. If you don't want to do the color mixing yourself, here's a great example by Missoni, where the color mixing is done for you already. When wearing color and mixing patterns, at the end of the day, it's about being confident. So when you look in the mirror, it's all about being confident in what you're wearing. Because if you're not confident, it will show through.